10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to 2021! We're here! Artisarium, Elinor, Robin! I hope you had a good holiday. Really excited to get going again with the videos. So for the first video of the year, we thought we would just pick apart some electronics that we have laying around and see what we can do with it. Plan is to do some kind of jewelry. You can make a crown of it. We can make anything out of this. So this is just gonna be making some cool stuff with electronics because it's fun. It's gonna be art and not so much
Fart.
Artsy fartsy. Let's go! Whoa! Whoops! Oops.
It was on.
Gonna turn that off for now.
That was fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, what do you got?
I need a neck.
Ooh, I got an idea. Of course, we're gonna do the same things. So we start off by making a necklace,
Okay.
and then we do a ring,
Yeah.
and then we do a bracelet.
And then we can
Compare our styles.
and see
Exactly.
our styles. Yes.
That going around my neck. You're gonna strangle me. Necklace, necklace, necklace. I want mine to have a little LED lamp in it.
That's cool.
Ooh.
Yes. Everything just sticks to the soldering iron.
Yeah. Usually so.
I'm almost forgetting. Mon éperon.
Oh, dark. A black one. Nice. Okay, what color? Should I make an orange one? Since
Of course
we have orange as our color.
And because that your aura is orange.
Yes, my aura is orange. I love orange. Okay, I'll go for orange. Orange.
I think I'm beginning to get a hang of it.
Yeah, soldering isn't that hard actually. It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Putting a shrinkage tube on this one. Nice. So I'm not gonna go into any detail about what tools we're using because we're just using whatever we got. I mean, we have a
Nail file. Scissors.
what's it called? It's called
An off biter.
pliers.
Pliers.
Soldering iron, screw, lighter. When you heat up the shrinkage tube, just make sure to always move the heat so it doesn't burn. Just keep it in motion all the time. Oop, like that. Nice.
Nice.
I'm very satisfied with that.
Cool. Oops. Don't breathe in the fumes.
No. But it's at least lead free, otherwise it would be toxic.
Good.
Ooh, can put that behind maybe. And then use a small lid here. Yeah, definitely. So now I'm just gonna find a way for this to snap on the backside.
Okay, something you usually forget when you're making a necklace is that you make it too light. It will look like shh. So now I found something heavy. You're a monster, Zorg.
I know.
I pre-started my ring project. So I'm making a little gemstone. Well, it's sat here somewhere on this.
Okay, so this have taken a little bit too long.
As it always does when we're making something.
Doing too much details.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll just do the necklace and a ring.
A ring. Yeah.
So we ditch the bracelet.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So pretty soon I'm done with my necklace, and you are too, actually.
Yeah. And I've already started with my ring.
Oh, cool. Okay, my necklace is done, but you won't see it until the ring is done. Okay, let's do it like this.
Oh, wow.
So this is 30 minutes. To not make this too big,
Oh my god.
in 30 minutes I need to drop everything and be done.
Okay.
You wanna do your necklace first and be part of the...
I can finish the necklace later.
Okay, so from now...
But I've started on my ring.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
you're ahead of me.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I am ready.
30 minutes. Starting now. Okay, so...
So I already have a base here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
That I cut into a nice, my pointy finger.
Yeah, you're pointy.
And I made a gem.
Okay, so it's cool. Ah, here we got it.
It's perfect. I don't know what to do.
No.
Force. I'm using some wire I had. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course. Oh, I need some.
Sandupe.
Oh, feels good. Okay. Oh, damn it.
Take it easy.
Yes. Okay, so let's make this round again.
So hard. Do you need this?
Yeah, sorry.
Yep, you're going to get it. You're going to get it now. Now
Sure.
you're gonna get it.
Sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. There you go.
Great, thanks.
There you go.
Thanks. Okay. So, what did you say? Oh, there's not much time.
I can see that. But since I actually started ahead,
Yeah.
you're going to get a couple of minutes more. Because I worked for like 5 minutes with this
Okay.
before we started.
Okay. Okay, the time is out, but what did you say about me giving me some extra time?
Definitely 5 minutes.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I will set the timer for 5 minutes. Go.
Thanks.
Oh, I see what you're doing there. Cool. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
done.
It's okay, but you can finish it later. I just wanna see.
Oh, yours beautiful. Okay, are we done now?
I'm not done.
Okay, but let's be done in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was fun.
I like it being a one-day build.
We should do more stuff with a timer, because one thing we really need to work with is to not work too much on the details, because I mean, when you're at home and when you do stuff for yourself, you really need to cut corners, do stuff in time, because it's more fun to be done.
Yeah, and to be challenged.
So I guess you want to see what we did. That's why you're here. My necklace was the first to be finished, and it was supposed to be like a battery inside of the slot here, lighting up this LED lamp, but somewhere in the process I accidentally fried the LED, so that wasn't working anymore.
Too bad, but it's really nice.
Yeah, I'm really proud of how this turned out, and I'm really satisfied with the back closing and everything. Next up, we have your necklace.
Here's mine. I made it out of small cables, and I wanted to have something weighing it down, because otherwise it would like float away around your neck. It wouldn't look good. So this was the only thing I found that had some weight to it. So I just had to work with that. And then I soldered small components onto the ends, wrapping pink wire. I thought that would look good with a teal color.
I like the back on it, the closing you did.
This one I actually worked on quite a bit.
Yeah.
So you can buy these, but of course straight.
I really love that. It looks kind of Mad Maxy in the
it does. It does.
Really nice. And the rings. This was on time, 30 minutes as you saw. This one is mine. And this one is Eleanor's. I really love yours, Eleanor.
Aww.
I really think that was...
Yeah, it turned out quite good.
Cool, thank you so much for watching. This was really fun to make. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did making it.
We did.
Yeah, so that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, write a comment which one did you like the most, and we see you in the next one. Bye!
Hey, bye!